Welcome students. Today I take a 8th standard science subject. Lesson 4 Matter. Already I discussed about matter. Now let us see about symbols of elements. What do you mean by elements? It cannot be broken into the simplest substance. It cannot be broken into the simplest substance. Now, what do you mean by symbols? Symbols is on image. Symbols is on image and object. In early man started writing in gives. These symbols are language. In alphabets are different languages. These alphabets are combined with words. So chemistry is separate language of science. In modern periodic table, there are 118 elements are known. In the elements have particular symbols. What do you mean by symbols? A symbol is the short form of an element. A symbol is the short form of an element. First one, Greek symbols. The symbols in form of the geometrical shapes were those used by ancient Greeks to represent the four basic elements. What are the four basic elements? Such as earth, air, fire and water. In 1808, John Dalton, English scientist, tried to name the various elements based on these pictorial symbols or figurative symbols. These symbols are difficult to draw and hence they are not used. For example, hydrogen, the first one, hydrogen, round in center of dot. Next one, nitrogen, round itself, one single line, and so on. So, if you see is not, remember for the symbol. I ask one question. What is the symbol of sodium? You may get confused because then round itself, then four lines. Then sodium is the round itself, two lines. So, confused for this figurative symbol. So, in the figurative symbol is not remember as. So, just that another way for Berzelius symbols. In 1813, John Jacob Berzelius devised a system using letters of alphabet. The modified version of Berzelius systems follows under the heading System for determining symbols of the elements. For example, oxygen O, hydrogen H, phosphorus P, carbon C, The symbols of the most common elements are use the first letter of their English name. Example for the tabulation: boron B, carbon C, fluorine F, and so on. According to that, cobalt CO, cobalt CO. In the CO is the capital letter of your writing. The first letter of C is the carbon, then second letter of O, oxygen. It is not right to this way. So, the name of element has the same initial letter as another element. Then the symbols uses the first and second letters of their element. The first letter in uppercase and then second letter is in the lower case. For example, cobalt C, first letter capital and then second letter O in the smaller letter. For other examples of aluminium, capital A and then small letter of L. Barium, capital B and then small letter A. Beryllium, capital B, small letter E, and so on. Some symbols are used on the basis of their old names or Latin name of one element. So, antimony, strontium, copper, cuprum, gold, arurum, iron, ferrum is a symbol of iron Fe. Then lead, blumum, it's a symbol of Bb. Some elements are named using the country name, scientist name, colors, and planet name. The place in which they were first found: California, Californium, Europe and Europium, Poland, Polonium. These are the country names. The name of the some scientist names: Niels Bohr, the symbol of element borium. Ernest Rutherford, the element name Rutherford. The Alfred Einstein, the element name Einsteinium. And then color of the elements is the name for gold. It's a yellow color. I hope all are understood the topic. Thank you for listening, students.